For the past 2 decades, the idea of seeing the iconic F-14 Tomcat fighter jet fly again in the United States has been nothing more than a wild dream for aviation enthusiasts. However, a surprising legislative measure dubbed the Maverick Act is now being debated in the U.S. Congress, opening a real possibility for this legendary folding-wing aircraft to return to the skies. A report from the war zone reveals that a new bill spearheaded by U.S. Representative Abe Hamadeh aims to save the last remnants of the F-14's glory from destruction. Since its retirement in 2006, the vast majority of the U.S. Navy's F-14 fleet has been systematically destroyed to prevent spare parts from falling into the hands of Iran, the only other country still operating the Tomcat. The Maverick Act proposes a special exemption to donate the 3 remaining F-14DS at the Davis-Monthan storage base. The most interesting aspect of this legislation is the clause requiring the Secretary of the Navy to provide excess spare parts so that at least one of the F-14DS can reach flyable status or become a complete static display. While the bill emphasizes that the demilitarization process will remain strictly enforced to maintain national security, the phrase "airworthy" raises high hopes for the aviation community. If successful, this would be the first time in 20 years that the American public would see the big fighter perform maneuvers in the skies at an air show. However, reviving the Tomcat will be no easy task. The F-14 is known for being a maintenance-heavy aircraft.